Okay friends, I already filled this cup with water. Now, this is the tricky part. So I'm going to get the paper. Now, I'm going to get the cup. And now, I'm going to flip it. I did it!
Mr. Elf is here!
Wow! So we're gonna have half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of ginger.
That's right, girls. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes or until it's slightly golden around the edges. Cookies are ready! Let's decorate! Yay! That looks great, girls. High five!
Oh my!
Thank you friends for watching. I love you a lot. And don't forget to like